Good evening and welcome to the public meeting for the Central Florida Expressway Authority's proposed State Road 528, Martin B. Anderson Beachline Expressway, Dallas Boulevard Interchange Improvements, Project Development and Environment, or PD&E study. During this presentation, we will be going over the design concepts for this project. This meeting, project, or study is being conducted without regard to race, color, national origin, age, sex, religion, disability, or family status. Persons wishing to express their concerns relative to compliance by the Central Florida Expressway Authority, CFX, with Title VI may do so by contacting Aaron Kleinfeld, Public Involvement Coordinator, by mail at 4974 ORL Tower Road, Orlando, Florida 32807, by phone at 407-487-2474, or by email at projectstudies@cfxway.com. All inquiries or complaints will be handled according to CFX procedure and in a prompt and courteous manner. State Road 528 is part of the 125-mile regional expressway system that is planned, designed, constructed, maintained, and operated by CFX. CFX operates ePass, the first electronic toll collection system in Florida, with more than 1 million ePass accounts. The CFX Limited Access Network, which serves 3 million residents and more than 75 million visitors, is fully funded by toll revenue. No tax dollars are used for CFX's $4 billion 5-year work plan. CFX is an independent agency of the state, governed by a board of 7 locally elected leaders and 3 governor appointees. Each year, we at CFX prepare our 5-year work plan based on the existing and anticipated needs of the community in our 5-county region. Updates to our work plan are then brought before our governing board for adoption. Our current work plan, which covers fiscal years 2023 through 2027, totals over $4 billion, the largest in our agency's history. Projects included in our work plan are typically a product of our long-term planning effort, referred to as our master plan. We are currently in the PD&E study phase of a Level 1 Project Environmental Impact Report, otherwise known as a PEIR, which allows for more detailed preliminary engineering and environmental evaluation to identify a preferred alternative. If the PD&E study is approved, the project will advance into the next phase, which is final design. Through request from and coordination with Orange County staff, the State Road 528 Dallas Boulevard Interchange has been added to the CFX current work plan and is fully funded for all phases from this PD&E study through construction. The goals and objectives which correlate to the project purpose and need include complete a full interchange for State Road 528 at Dallas Boulevard, enhance mobility for the area's current and future development, identify a preferred alternative design concept that is consistent with the current and future goals of CFX, ensure that conceptual designs accommodate current and future capacity improvements, provide consistency with local plans and policies, including state and regional plans, as well as close coordination with future land use development, and lastly, promote regional connectivity. The study is investigating the feasibility of advancing the project. The PD&E study process allows for more detailed blending of preliminary engineering, environmental analysis, public involvement, and includes the development of several engineering and environmental documents to support the decision-making process. This is a systematic evaluation of feasible alternatives that identifies a preferred alternative. Stakeholder input is an important aspect of the PD&E study process, as the concept study alternatives are re-examined in order to develop feasible solutions that meet the project purpose and need, while minimizing impacts to social, natural, cultural, and physical resources. The environmental analysis will include measures to avoid and/or mitigate impacts. Now, let's talk about the study area and key features. The outline of the study area boundary is shown on this map in orange. The study area runs west to east along the vicinity of State Road 528 and north along Dallas Boulevard to just north of Starry Street. Currently, the Dallas Boulevard Interchange, exit 24, on State Road 528 is a half interchange consisting of a westbound on-ramp and an eastbound off-ramp. Residents within the Wedgefield community must travel north to access State Road 520, then travel south to access State Road 528 in the eastbound direction, a distance that can range from approximately 7 to 13 miles, and vice versa when traveling westbound on State Road 528. The State Road 528 Dallas Boulevard Interchange Improvements Project will add a westbound off-ramp and eastbound on-ramp to provide enhanced access and mobility to the Wedgefield community and eastern Orange County. Through request from and coordination with Orange County staff, the State Road 528 Dallas Boulevard Interchange has been added to the CFX current work plan and is fully funded for all phases from this PD&E study through construction. This 6-month study phase includes analyzing 2 interchange configuration options that will maintain the existing access and provide new access to and from the east. Both options would result in a shift of the mainline State Road 528 to the south. The existing State Road 528 bridges over Dallas Boulevard do not meet the current vertical clearance criteria, and the roadway elevation and bridge clearance will require a significant increase. Thus, the entire main line through the interchange will be reconstructed. The proposed options developed as part of this study considered a 4-lane typical section along Dallas Boulevard, as was utilized during the development of the Bright Line Bridge. The Roundabout interchange option utilizes the standard diamond interchange configuration, with a dual roundabout to improve the safety and efficiency of the interchange. The braided ramp interchange option evaluates implementation of braided ramps over State Road 528 to an intersection south of State Road 528 with one signal to control access to Dallas Boulevard. This configuration requires an additional overpass for the ramps on the north side of the interchange. While the analysis conducted as part of this PD&E study have determined that noise walls are not proposed for either option for this project, a more detailed noise study following state and federal guidelines will be conducted during the final design phase to determine potential noise impacts associated with the proposed interchange. The study will identify noise-sensitive sites, such as homes, schools, churches, and recreational areas along the project corridor. Noise walls will be considered for areas predicted to experience noise levels that reach or exceed 66 decibels, or experience an increase of 15 decibels over existing noise levels. Additionally, the noise wall must provide at least a 5 decibel reduction to be considered feasible. 66 decibels will be slightly louder than heavy traffic 300 feet away. 15 decibels compares to the noise you would hear at night in a rural area. Think the sound of crickets. There's also consideration involving the cost per benefited property. We will be posting a draft traffic noise analysis on the Design Project webpage during that phase of the project. And do remember, the noise walls lessen the road noise. They do not completely block out the sound. We hope this information has been helpful. Please don't forget to leave your comments regarding the State Road 528 Dallas Boulevard Interchange Improvements Project. Comments must be submitted by Monday, May 8, 2023, in order to be entered into the public record. Or you can send your comments to projectstudies@cfxway.com. Following this meeting, a copy of this presentation will be posted to the project website at bit.ly/info_about_SR528_PD&E. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Aaron Kleinfeld by phone at 407-487-2474 or by email at projectstudies@cfxway.com. If you're interested in receiving emails regarding upcoming meetings or other important project information, please email Aaron to be added to the email distribution list. Thank you for joining us, and remember, please submit your comments by Monday, May 8, 2023.